Hi friends, welcome to Kids to Adult Trendy channel. Today we are going to learn Microsoft Fabric, which is very well used in ETL in Azure. So what we are going to see is I'm just creating a free account in app.fabric.microsoft.com where we can see the workloads. So when you click on the workloads, it's just a 10 minutes tutorial where we can quickly refresh what's there and what we can do. So in a workload, we can see like many things like fabric migration, and we can also see Gen 2 and then Barbie. And mm, yeah, so there are a lot of workloads, and for to create the workflow, we have to create a first workspace. So I'm just creating my first workspace with the name My First Workspace. Yeah, I'm just creating a contact list and getting it on apply. So when it is getting created, I'll just say like what is Microsoft Fabric? It is an end-to-end analytical platform that combines the data engineering, data integration, data warehousing, and data science, real-time analytics, and business intelligence into a single SaaS application. It uses OneLake as a unified data lake. So once workspace is created, I'm creating a predefined task flow. It is like how to get the data, how to store, how to process. And we all know that that is a medallion architecture, which consists of a bronze, silver, and gold layers, which is like a bronze layers for just for creative for raw data, and silver is for transformation, and golden data. Uh, it is for the transfer, it is business ready insights. So with bronze data, I'm just creating a new item, which is a lake house. So instead of creating a sample lakehouse, we can go for a lakehouse itself. So I'll also explain like what is OneLake in between. So OneLake is a unified storage layer in Microsoft Fabric. It acts as a single logical data lake for the organization and store data in an open format such as data backward. So it is altogether is an end-to-end analytical platform with a data ingestion, data integration, data science, everything into one platform which contains OneLake as a unified data source. Data lake is nothing but the storage of a data format in a backward format. So that is what OneLake is also. It's a unified storage layer in Microsoft Fabric. So there is some error I'm getting in the creating of a new lake house. So I'm just trying to fix it. So it acts as a single logical data lake. OneLake is a single logical data lake for organization to store the data in an open format. And the main components in the Microsoft Fabric is data factory, data engineering, data warehouse, data science, and real-time intelligence and Power BI, OneLake. So now we have created the first lakehouse where we can see the tables and files. So what this enable us to help this files, we can add the files and then we can convert it into a table. So that is how it's been added. So after this has been done, we can create a semantic model before it is getting created into a Power BI report. So I'm just checking how this files can be uploaded. So we can also load the sample data. So that is what I have done instead of uploading my own file. I've just loaded the sample data. So this got converted into a table called public holidays, and this contains the data in the format of a tabular structure. So what we did, we just created a workspace within which it is enabling us to create a lake house, which is nothing but a like logical data lake. It all helps both SQL analytics and the storage of a data. So after this data has been added, it's getting converted into a table, and I'm just creating a semantic model out of this data in the table. And another feature that I would like to explain is like there is a download option in the app.fabric. When I download, my OneLake will get downloaded into my drive like other drives. So we can access the files here itself or in the app.fabric, whatever the file that we add here in the OneLake in our system. It's get added to the app.fabric as well. So that is what I'm trying to do. I've downloaded the OneLake. And if I go into my PC, I should be able to see the one like after I install it. So I'm just going into the download folder. But I will need to log in, so I'm just cutting off here. I log in and come back. Yeah, now we can see the one like folder here after my login credentials are provided. So I can see my first lakehouse and also the files and the tables that we have created so far. Yeah, now what we are going to do is we are just going to create a new Excel file, just a blank file, just to check that how this files are, how this has been integrated each other. So I create a new file, and when I refresh my fabric, the lake house, I should be able to see that file inside my file section. So I'm just refreshing to see the new Excel file that is being added into it. Yes, we have got that file which we have added in our own system that gets uploaded here. So OneLake is like a OneDrive that we can use it, and we can upload the data, and we can also convert it into a table. We can create a semantic model out of the table. Semantic model is nothing but the referential integrity, the connections between the tables, the data moment to set up the data moment for ETL process. So we create a model, right? The mapping that can be created with the help of these tables. So load all the tables, whatever that we have. Currently, I have only one table. If there are multiple tables, I'll load all the tables. So we'll get a model where we can connect each other and take it to the Power BI report for analytical purpose, for business analytics, and for validating and for analyzing the data before the user gets actual correct data. So it is mainly used for testing purpose, though it has most of them or a data engineering perspective. So this is how we get the data, and we are into the Power BI now because Power BI is integrated with the Microsoft Fabric. And if we have a multiple tables, then we'll get all the tables parallelly, and we can give a model a definition, and we can also give the slices and filter the data and try to see like what we are trying to analyze and check that the data is appropriate. So this helps the Microsoft Fabric to be continuously used. And the main components are data factory, data engineering, data warehouse, data science, real-time intelligence, Power BI, and OneLake. So this is the query from a query mode of the data. So it's like a lakehouse. It's a combination of a scalability of a data lake with the management of a querying capabilities of a data warehouse. So it supports SQL analytics, uses data tables also. And I'm just showing here like how to instead of uploading the table, we can also choose the data source and upload the files here. Yeah, thank you for watching.